Whether you're managing a product marketplace where users upload their own listings or simply rely on a team to populate your weak CMS, dealing with incomplete data is a constant battle, right? You know the feeling, one empty field and suddenly your live website is cluttered with broken buttons and dead links. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Axel Fields and I hope you're doing great. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a completely automated Velo solution that dynamically detects missing CMS data and cleanly collapses your repeater buttons, keeping your front end flawless without you or your team ever having to touch a line of code again. And before we start, let me tell you, this is not something that you will need to code on your own. Don't feel scared about, breaking something in the code. Everything you need to do is just copy and paste it and follow my instructions. So, first of all, on the specific page of our website where we have the repeaters list, right? What we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna move the mouse on the top of the Wix side, and there's gonna be something called dev mode. We're gonna click it, and then we're gonna click on turn on dev mode. So you will find something like this, or you will have something saying like S or $W on ready. You're gonna delete everything what you have in here. That will not affect the site at all. What you're gonna do is you're gonna copy my code and paste it. And let's start with the quick explanation. In this case, we have the repeater, which right now is being called curses repeater. How do I know that? You can check it in here on the top of the repeater or the element you're selecting. So you're gonna click the element we would like to know, and in this scenario we're gonna need to understand the IDs just for the repeater and for the button that we would like to hide. Okay, so the other way to find it is in here. Okay, so you're gonna click this white bar, or just where it says the name of the page where your repeater is. You just click it and then it's gonna pop up. But Axel, why do I need this? Right, good question. So we need to change, and I also have set some instructions in the code. It says change these three IDs to match your layout elements. We need to change these IDs to make this work. Okay, so we're only gonna be taking care of the purple ones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace everything in here. It starts asking us about the dataset ID. We go to the list that is already connected to a dataset. We click on dataset settings, and then we're gonna just do a click on dataset ID, copy it, and simple as just double click it and just Control V. I don't know for Mac what is gonna be the equal to copy and paste. And then it is asking us for the repeater ID. Okay, what we're gonna do is just click the repeater. Remember, it is list repeater. We're gonna copy it, double click, paste it, and then the more button. Same in here. Copy it, button ID, continue. This is gonna be double click, and that's it. Now everything is matching from our side into the Velo code. Okay, perfect. So now that we have already changed these three IDs, what we're gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna explain real quick how the Velo code is gonna work. Okay, so the only thing you need to change in here is these three. Okay, and the rest of the code, what we'll be doing in your website is it's gonna be reading your collection, the one that is connected to your repeater. Okay, in this scenario it's curses. Right now, because I have not uploaded the website, right, it's shown as it is showing the price and the read more button. So but what happens if I reload it? It's gonna refresh the site, and then since the price is missing, the read more button or the our button is gonna be hidden automatically, right? But what happens if we add it back again? And if we refresh the site again, now we're gonna have the price back again, and the read more or our button, it's gonna be shown again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I hope you have a great day.